Assalamu alaikum. So we want to know what kind of logs are appearing when we are running our mobile app. So let's head over to Window and Package Manager, like Unity Registry, and right, find this Logcat, install this. Now go to Window Analysis, and you will find Window. Start this. Now it's start appearing my logs. Why it may not appear on your device if the USB debugging option is not enabled in your device. So make sure to enable this USB debugging mode, and then you will find your device in this drop down. Now if I will run this my app, I will find the app here, right here, which you can see here. Where this, so if I just go to my app, which is correctly connected, you can see it's showing me all the logs. Let me clear this and try to create more logs. It's showing